how to make Gmail folders. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can create a folder within your Gmail inbox. So let's start. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Gmail, and now we want to create a folder in which we want to add few of our emails. So the first step is going to be obviously selecting emails that you want to create a folder for. So I'm gonna go ahead and select few of these emails, and then I will create a folder for these. Let's say I have selected all of these emails. Now you will find all of the options right here above. In here we have this option right here, which is kind of like a folder, and it says move to. So click on move to, and in here we have a lot of different options, such as to move our emails to updates, to spam and bin. But we also have this option right here which says create new. Simply click on create new, and now we can enter a new label, or we can simply go ahead and create, this is actually a folder. So you simply enter your name for your new folder. Let's say these folders were for my work, so I'm gonna select and add the name work. Now I can actually go ahead and also add, if you want to add a parent group for this one, you can also select it, but simply click on create and a new label will be created right here, and those folders will be moved to that label. So you can see right here that now I have this folder. I will simply click on that, and I have all of my emails that I selected in this folder right here. I can also go ahead and customize the folder the way I want to. I can hide it, I can show it, and I can edit it, I can remove it anytime I want to. If I want to add a sub label, I can do that as well, or I can change the color. Let's go with this one right here. So now I have changed the color. We will also be able to see how many emails we have in a folder. You can see right here the number is given 5. I have 5 emails in this folder. So again, you simply select any email and you can then read it or whatever you want to do with your email. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.